I don't eat dog, I don't eat cat, I don't eat puss, I don't eat rat, and I don't eat squirrel. All of those I don't eat it. But anything else, what I raise, I eat. This is yam. So what I'm digging, look. This is how you use the machete and chop it off. This is all food right here. I don't have to go to the store, right in my backyard. I dig yam. Look at it. Look all these. All these is yam. So now I'm going to cook. I'm cooking yam, banana, and curry chicken, and dashi. Curry chicken. Who want to see the curry chicken?
I want to see the curry chicken.
You want to see the curry chicken, what I'm doing? Come, I'm going to take you to my kitchen. Yeah, this is curry goat we're making here. Look at it. Right, everything comes right off of the farm. Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't believe me, just watch me. I'm making dumpling. Look, I'm making dumpling. See it right here? I'm molding it. We call it make. See? Look. You just turn it. Look. In a slow motion, and then you press it. And then that's it. See how pretty it is? Look again. So this is flour and cornmeal, and we make kind of, some people call it dough, we call it dumpling. Alright, this is my curry chicken. Now I'm ready to season up my curry chicken. Right, everything comes right off of the farm. Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't believe me, just watch me. Look. You can eat what you grow. This is my garden, so when I'm cooking like my curry chicken now, come in my garden. This is scallion. I root my scallion. Look at it. They come in my garden. All these things that we put into and I come off my tree. I pick my scratch bonnet pepper. See? I just need 3 peppers. This is my scallion in it. And I already do time, but I need a little bit piece more time. So this is my sweet pepper. It's nice to put a little sweet pepper into your curry chicken anytime you're making it. And ladies and gentlemen, sometimes you're cooking, it's nice to have hot water boiling. So you take a little hot water and you throw it right here. And then you stir it. Nice. Then I'll get my carrot, which is right here. I get my carrot, it is right here. And I cut my carrot in there.
How long do you cook it for?
Depends on how old the chicken is. You have to use a discretion. Some of the chickens them younger than some. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, who don't like to eat from the farm, that's what I do. I eat from my farm. Anything I raise, beside my cat and dog and puss, I eat. I don't eat dog, I don't eat cat, I don't eat puss, I don't eat rat, and I don't eat squirrel. All of those I don't eat it. But anything else, what I raise, I eat. Can you say amen to that one? Amen. This is my season. I just pick from the garden and I cut up my season and put it into my fridge. Ain't that nice, ladies and gentlemen? Sweet! See? And then what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna stir him. Nice. Give it a taste. Nice. Sweet. It want nothing more than cook, ladies and gentlemen. It just want to cook down. And that's what I'm gonna let it to do. Take it time and cook down. Welcome to Wonder Boy Farm. This is my curry chicken that I finished now. Look how delicious it's look. Yeah. Taste it.
The first from Wonder Boy. I approve this message. It was good.